This is the couch assembly. This is a hanger bolt connection, which is half lag, half threaded nut. The lag, of course, going into the leg, the threaded nut going in here. Just stick my deep socket in there, get that tight. These are heavy structural screws, timber locks. I put the 4 washers on each of them because I only had 2 7/8 lengths, and that was, I think, exactly this thickness here, so I backed them off a little bit with the washers. Down here, I have this glue block, or it's not really a glue block, it's just a block that is timber locked to the back part of the couch, and then a hex head going into the leg. Same assembly here and here. This is actually a mortise and tenon joint, but it's dry, no glue, so this thing can be taken apart. So all the shear weight is on the tenon, pushing down. The lag screw is what pulls it tight that way. This is basically just a shelf to help support the 2x3 in the back. I've spray painted everything dark that might be showing through the spindles. Now I just need to put the plywood and the cushions on.